Hi there, this is Eva from EnglishWithEva.com, and if you know the following words, you don't have to waste your time and listen to me. Just proceed to listening on conversation on EnglishWithEva.com. Those of you who don't know the words, try to repeat them after me. Repeat also the sentences. Fact. In fact. In fact, I wasn't even there. Size. What is your size, madam? Unfinished. We have some unfinished business together. Jump. He jumped over the hurdle. Potato. Potatoes. Peel the potatoes, please. Investigate. It should be investigated. Investigation. The investigation is over. Cut, cut, cut. He cut his finger. Shadow. Kids are afraid of their own shadow. Use. User. May I use your car? Local. Can you recommend me any local food? Part, partly, partially. It's only a part-time job. Industry, industrial. They're expanding the industrial zone. Mechanic. Do you know any good mechanic? With. Come with me, please. Carry. Carrier. You mustn't carry heavy things. Only. The only. I am an only child. Tall. How tall are you? Excellent. You've done an excellent job. Mess. What a mess. Stretch. You have to do stretching. Visit. Our visit to London was very nice. Visitor. Will we have a visitor today? Contrast. That's in contrast to what I meant. Pen. Can you pass me the pen? Butter. I don't like butter. Approve, approval. He did it with the approval of all. Delay. The plan will be delayed. The plane will be delayed. Idea. That's a good idea. Through. Go through the park. And that's all for today. Bye.